The following is from the book on page 168. Today we are going to talk about eating and exercise. Exercise uses up energy. We get the energy we need for exercise through food. It is important to have a balance between the energy we take in and the energy we expend. Exercise. A healthy lifestyle contains moderate exercise, which is 3 to 4 times per week. Lack of exercise leads to an excess of energy taken in, which the body will store as fat. Even if we eat moderately, we can still gain weight if we live a lazy lifestyle that has very little exercise or none at all. This is because there is a part of the energy we are taking in that we are not using in any way. This could lead to problems like obesity, which is being clinically overweight. This graph shows the variation in the percentage of obesity in adults as a function of time. There is a clear increase in obesity in adults between the years 1994 and 2003. Obesity has increasingly become a problem since the 90s. It is also clearly a bigger worry for women than men. But unfortunately, it's still a worry for both. And even type 2 diabetes is a problem. A study in the United States was performed on people who showed early signs of type 2 diabetes. Results showed that of those people who maintained regular exercise, the risk of type 2 diabetes was reduced by 58%. This was a very shocking statistic, and it led to a bigger understanding of the importance of exercise. However, too much exercise can be dangerous. Studies have shown that moderate exercise, as recommended, benefits the immune system. However, too much exercise can suppress the immune system. That is because the body needs to focus most of its energy on the muscles during extreme exercising conditions. Stressful or extreme exercise uses up more energy than the moderate exercise that is recommended. So the body needs to redirect its energy and focus most of it on the muscles, instead of distributing it fairly. The immune system cannot afford to take a break. It needs to be constantly functioning to protect us from infections. Also, extreme exercise causes the release of stress hormones, which also suppress the immune system. The release of stress hormones is an indicator that the body could be in danger, so less energy is focused in places like the immune and digestive systems, and most energy is focused on the muscles in case the body needs to run away from danger. Here is a graph showing the variation in the susceptibility to viral infections as a function of the intensity of physical exercise. As we move from a sedentary lifestyle to one with more exercise, the susceptibility to viral infections is decreasing. However, as we approach exhaustive or extreme exercise, the susceptibility is dangerously increasing, which is why it is important to stay in the moderate exercise range of 3 to 4 times per week.